So how do we heal arthritis? So arthritis, there are many different forms of arthritis. One of them is, rheumatoid arthritis is the one that comes is the top most of all of them. Then there is ankylosing spondylitis. Then there is lupus arthritis. There are many other arthritis. I'm not going to, I can't mention them, but every arthritis pretty much, it is secondary to a lot of accumulation of toxins in the joint, depending upon whatever the joint the body has chosen to accumulate them. And pretty much it's secondary to not taking care of ourselves for a very long time, lots of stress in life, and poor gut health. So we have to work with you on that root cause of all those issues by helping you reset your gut, helping your gut to digest properly, assimilate properly, and then later on, the inflammation and everything is going to subside. Rheumatoid arthritis can be an extremely painful, extremely excruciating condition. And we have many participants with us who are going through issues of rheumatoid arthritis. So it is a slower process to heal because accumulated toxins in the joints have to gradually come into circulation. And whatever that has crystallized and whatever that has formed thickening as well as fibrous tissue as well as deformity, it's going to take some time because the body has to heal up all the scar tissue. So it does involve a decent amount of commitment and time in order to heal, but this is the only way. I mean, I'm sure by now you have seen a lot of allopathic doctors, a lot of other medications have gone into you, a lot of homeopathy, a lot of what you call Ayurvedic massages and all of it. But the thing is, there is no pill in pocket that's going to help with rheumatoid arthritis. I have this. We have this nice book of reversing arthritis. I don't know if it's focusing here, but this one is by nature cures practitioners that we follow their principles to help you attain better state of health. So pains are going to be better. Slowly, mobility is going to improve. Deformities are going to improve. But you have to work with us in order to reverse arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, or any other arthritis.